Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moonrabbit token. Now Moonrabbit, there's a few different Moonrabbit tokens. This one's different. The name of the token is Moon, and then Space Rabbit, and then AAA is the ticker symbol for this one. So don't get it confused with other tokens. Look at the ticker symbol, and the other ones I believe don't have a space between Moon and Rabbit. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It was in the top gainer section, I believe, 2 days ago on CoinMarketCap. Today it's not doing so well, though. It's down 22% today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Moonrabbit.com is their official webpage. Pretty easy to find. They have their cross-chain. There's a cross-chain token. They're available on BSC scan. And they have an Ether scan here. So it's Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain token. They have a Twitter you could follow, Telegram, Facebook, GitHub. Price charts, contract addresses, all that stuff is available on CoinMarketCap. Now, how do you get this token? You could get it off of PancakeSwap or Uniswap if you're going to get it in a decentralized way. Now, if you want to get it off a centralized exchange, there's a couple good ones listed on here. You can get it off Mexc or Probit. Now, I do have an Mexc Global and Probit Global referral code down there in the description box. If you don't have either one of those accounts, you could use that if you like. Those are two decent exchanges that I use frequently, especially Mexc Global. Very low fees on Mexc. So yeah, if you're looking to get this token, basically you would just go right through that Mexc or Probit Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AAA, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the Moonrabbit token. It's that easy. Excuse me. And yeah, so if you want more information, head over to their webpage, moonrabbit.com. Over there you can find all sorts of info. They have a section about technology, community, hyper accelerator, blog articles, NFTs, library, DeFi, a decentralized exchange, rabbit hole. It says Longevity Temple is live, 100% APY for 1 year. So you can stake your tokens for 1 year, basically a 1 year lockup, and you're going to accumulate 100% annual percentage yield, which is like interest. So check that out on their webpage. They have an insane amount of socials on their webpage here. They have a Bitcoin Talk, Instagram, Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and more. There's more listed on there. So tons of links on here. It says Moonrabbit is a decentralized distributed crypto conglomerate constituting in a system of systems, jurisdictions, uniting all distributed ledgers and cryptocurrencies in the ultimate cross-chain protocol, a meta-chain. Crypto and Web3 are only the short-term foundations and instruments for the overarching grand mission of Moonrabbit, to discover the secret of eternal life, whether biologically or digitally, and to enable humanity to transcend the known this is the tiniest print ever, by the way, on their webpage. Insanely tiny print. Transcend the known dimensions and experience new worlds and states of consciousness. We build upon the best practices of longevity, radical aging therapy, and genomics, and cryptographic distributed systems, substrate, Web3, and Bitcoin philosophy to achieve our mission. Jurisdictions may pursue their own endeavors, ventures, and visions unrelated to longevity, while the core network of Moonrabbit builds scalable incentive models and Web3 infrastructure to accelerate longevity R&D. Jump into the rabbit hole and you will never be the same. It says, P.S. Yes, you can click on the rabbit hole sign up or on the rabbit hole itself to enter the network. So it says it's scalable. Moonrabbit's mother chain is powered by temples that secure and validate multiple jurisdictions, unique distributed ledgers, and protocols in parallel, allowing specialization and massive scalability. It's ubiquitous. So Moonrabbit has built the world's first meta chain, a system connecting all blockchains and distributed protocols, permitting seamless transfers of any digital asset or data. Intuitive, public SDKs, open source toolkits, APIs, and documentation permit launching of their own blockchain and cryptocurrency within minutes. Temples assure interoperability and security from launch. So it's secure. Moonrabbit's eco-friendly distributed proof-of-stake model utilizes game-theoretic models of financial security, rewards, and punishments, protecting both the mother chain and individual jurisdictions. It's entrepreneurial, so Moonrabbit's jurisdictions are launched by enthusiastic Web3 entrepreneurs and builders. Our backers offer them investments and hyper-acceleration, boosting our use cases and adoption. And empowering, built upon the philosophy of self-sovereignty, censorship-resistant, and inclusivity pioneered by Bitcoin. While vastly superior technologically, Moonrabbit empowers its community to steer progress. Moonrabbit's fundamental particle, the AAA token, is a multifunctional digital particle that performs the following roles. It's got digital fuel, so processing token transfers, data exchange, and verifying the state of individual jurisdictions, incurs payments of fees to temples. Each transaction burns a part of the AAA token, ensuring a deflationary pressure. It's a building block, so opening a temple for staking or rolling out a jurisdiction requires a minimum commitment of AAA to alter. Anyone can delegate their AAA to the temple jurisdiction of their choice and reap the rewards. So that's what I was talking about earlier with the APY. This token can be used also as a payment unit. Highly scalable, secure, and transparent distributed metachain of Moonrabbit offers a valuable proposition for payment processing with an increasing number of stakeholders accepting AAA. It's got an opinion barometer, governance mechanisms of AAA via Moonrabbit, public forum, and referenda enable a consultative process for the community of AAA holders to help steer the network and wider ecosystem. So it's got longevity DAO, so you can get involved with the DAO with voting rights and get rewards from the APY if you like. There's some articles here that you could read, latest stories at the bottom of their page. And you can join their communities. Like I said, all their socials on here. Check it out. You can find this token listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Moonrabbit, AAA. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.